What's going on, people? So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to work out for weight loss. Now, in a lot of my videos, I tend to talk about the diet aspect and being in a caloric deficit for weight loss. So this video is going to be something a little different, where I talk about your workout and exercise routine in order to lose weight as well. Now, we all know that we can't just work out and expect to see the scale move. You know, the diet and the workouts go hand in hand. Now, with that being said, the workouts that you do for weight loss does not have to be what everyone else does. Like for me personally, I do resistance training and I walk every day in order to lose weight. Well, right now I'm in the maintenance phase, but for my weight loss journey that I had earlier this year, that's what I was doing, along with calisthenics as well when the gyms were closed down, and before I had my own home gym. Now, that wasn't always the case for me. In the past, I used to play basketball and I used to box, which was also a way to help me keep my weight under control, whether it will be to maintain my current weight or to lose weight. Both of those workouts help me as well. So the thing that I want to stress here is it's important that you do a workout that you enjoy. If you don't enjoy going to the gym, then don't go to the gym. Do something you enjoy, like maybe it's going on a hike. Maybe like my mom. My mom lost a lot of weight by going roller skating. You know, she enjoys roller skating. She enjoys that more than going to the gym. Or if it's bike riding, walking, going outside on a run. You want to find a workout that's going to be sustainable for you long term so that you can stay consistent with it, because that's how you see the best progress over time, is when you are staying consistent with a workout program. Now, of course, some workouts are going to burn more calories than others, but there are variables that you can alter in order to achieve similar results across all exercises. And some of those variables may be the intensity of the workout you're doing and also the frequency. Like if somebody is running 3 days a week and you realize, you know, your workout may be walking, walking 3 days a week versus running 3 days a week, you're probably going to be burning more calories from running those 3 days. But how about you walk 6 days a week? That way, you know, you're increasing your frequency, and then you can also increase the distance as the time goes on so that you can achieve those similar results. At the end of the day, it all comes down to what you enjoy. As long as you're doing something to expend energy and not just sitting on the couch all day, you are going to be in a good place. Now, a lot of people who train with me tend to go in the gym. Well, right now I have some clients in New York as well, and they are working out from home, but they're still using weight, dumbbells, resistance bands, and things like that. Now, if they were to come to me and say, you know what, I really want to get involved in boxing, or I really want to start hiking instead, then yes, we will obviously make changes to their program, but I would never say, no, you can't achieve weight loss that way. We have to stick to lifting weights, resistance bands, and doing stuff on the Stairmaster or treadmill or running or walking outside. If you want this thing to work long term for you and you want to achieve your greatest level of fitness, then you have to do something you enjoy. And I'm going to do another video talking about how you should be eating for weight loss and what the best diet is, because it's going to be along the same lines of what I just discussed in this video, because I want people to get out of the mindset of thinking it's one way to do things. That's not the case. It's not just one way to achieve your goals when it comes to fitness. You know, you have to adapt. And then I think that would get a lot more people active and also help with the obesity numbers, especially in the US, if people realize that they can start doing things that they enjoy and stop trying to mimic everything they see on like Instagram and YouTube. But people can't do that if they don't have the proper education and the people telling them that they can do something they enjoy. So I hope you all found this video helpful. Please like the video. It helps my channel to grow. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you want to see similar content to this, hit that notification bell so you know when I release more new videos. All right, catch you on the next one. Peace.